Hey guys, welcome back to the quiz leaf. Get ready to test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters, emoji and math questions? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Welcome back in new number and letter edition. Hey puzzle master, can you find the odd number 35 among 53 in just 10 seconds? Where my genius viewer? Come on, time is over. Excellent, this is the number 35. Your brain is being tested. Can you find the odd letter CY among YC in just 8 seconds? Fantastic, you are on fire. This is the letter CY. Come on my genius viewer, focus and find it. The number 76 among 67 in 8 seconds. Outstanding, this is the odd number. Find the one that stands out. Can you find the odd letter UZ in just 8 seconds? Super, this is the odd letter. Hey genius audience, attention here. Can you find the odd number 54 among 45 in 10 seconds? Boom, this is the number 54. Nobody cannot find the odd letter GK among kg within time frame. Time is up. Wow, amazing. This is the letter. Look closely. Can you identify the odd number 645 between 654 in 10 seconds? Wow, you have eagle eyes. This is the number. Come fast, viewer. Can you find the imposter letter like KRA in 10 seconds? Good job. This is the odd letter. Hey my respectable viewer, find the odd camouflage number 523 in time frame. You are amazing, you find it the odd number. This quiz is especially for a brain boost. Can you find the odd letter RTH between RHT in 10 seconds? Yes, you are a genius. You found the imposter letter. Identify the one that stands out. Can you find the odd number 269 in 10 seconds? Wow, amazing. This is the number. Only sharp eyes can find the odd spy letter within time. job. This is the spy letter. Hello my respectable viewer, can you find the hidden odd number in just 10 seconds? Outstanding! This is the hidden odd number. Come on quiz master, can you catch the odd letter in just 15 seconds? Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Can you spot the odd number that doesn't belong here in just 15 seconds? Boom! That one doesn't belong here. Hello my most senior viewer, can you find the odd one before time runs out? Exactly, you found before time runs out. Hey audience, in this quiz we check your observation skills. Can you find the odd number in just 15 seconds? Wow, amazing! This is the number. How sharp are your eyes? Can you find the odd imposter letter within time? Well done, this is the imposter letter. Hurry up guys, can you spot the odd number within time frame? Wow, you nailed it, this is the odd number. Hello genius, don't blink, the odd one is hiding here. Can you find the odd letter? Eagle eyes, this is the odd letter. Hey honorable, are you a true quiz master? Prove it. Can you find the odd number in just 15 seconds? Excellent, you are a real quiz master. This is the number. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.